Hello gamers! Welcome. In this video, let's see how to trade cards in Pokemon TCG Pocket. You can anticipate a nuanced trading system designed to maintain game balance and strategic depth. Trading mechanics are expected to be carefully structured with restrictions based on card rarity to ensure fair exchanges. Players will probably need to own multiple copies of a card, potentially at least 3, before being able to trade, which prevents rapid collection depletion and encourages thoughtful card management. The trading process might incorporate an in-game currency system, potentially utilizing existing resources like shyness or introducing a new trade-specific currency, drawing inspiration from established Pokemon game mechanics. To participate in trades, players may need to meet certain prerequisites, such as reaching a specific player level or establishing a friendship status with their trading partner, similar to systems seen in Pokemon Go. A critical aspect of the trading experience will likely be a mandatory two-sided trade confirmation process, ensuring that both participants must explicitly agree to the exchange before it is finalized. These mechanisms collectively aim to create a balanced, engaging trading environment that rewards strategic collecting and prevents potential exploitation of the game's card exchange system. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this. Thank you.